Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by shape in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. Now you can just find an item here or press on a category. After that is done, you can just press on filters here, and after that you can just find the shape filter if there is one. Now in this specific case there is no shape filter. I can just check out maybe another category like this one for example. And here, as you can see, there is the shape filter. You can just select here the shape and press on view now, and you will be able to find every item that has that shape, or it has a shape in it if it's not the entire item. So when it is applicable, you can filter your searches by shape. Of course, not every product type will going to have that filter like you have seen before, but the ones that have, it is a really easy way to filter out if you're looking for an exact shape. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.